This was me enjoying my walk at the park. This is what I made after my walk. It was delicious. Hey guys, I'm here at the graduation, my son's graduation, so it should start shortly.
Receiving the Best Dressed Award for always dressing super snazzy.
All right.
And he's receiving.
Okay guys, these are my plants that I planted. Let's see here. Oh, hold on. Okay, so guys, I'm in the bathroom. I just relaxed my hair and shampoo, condition, and I colored it. I should have went all black all over, but I did black, blue black on the sides, and I toned the red down, so it's like I guess like a golden brown in the front. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna style my hair. I'm thinking about a side part, or maybe just wave towards the front, wave towards the side, but I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm at the Lexus dealership getting my oil changed, and I just picked up the camera. Oh yeah, I don't know if this video was before it was after the one I did earlier, but so this is what I did to my hair. I decided to leave it in this state until later. I'll probably curl it. So okay, this was me. I was in the bathroom finishing curling my hair from before. Yeah, before I left to go out.